Hey everyone. Okay, well tonight I'm going to share with y'all our facial peel. Okay, so this is on part of the Timewise repair line. Okay, and it's the Revealing Radiance facial peel. Okay, I love this. Okay, this I have added into my routine 2 times a week. I do it at night, but this is an exfoliator. Okay, but it's a chemical exfoliator. Okay, it is a peel. You do not peel it off. You actually rinse it off. Okay, you do it about, like I said, 2 times a week, but it's a chemical exfoliator. So what's happening with the chemical exfoliator? It has glycolic acid in it. Okay, or alpha hydroxy. Okay, however you, but it is a glycolic acid. What it's doing is it's breaking the bonds of the layers of the skin, and so it's exfoliating those layers. Okay, and it's going layers deep, and so it's breaking those bonds, and so you're not going to have the you'll have a decrease of like the dark spots and the brown spots that appear on your face. You're decreasing that, okay, because you're breaking those bonds layers deep, okay, and so that's huge. It's an exfoliating process, exfoliating, because what happens is it's getting rid of all the dull skin. It's getting rid of that. It's bringing you the new skin, okay? Which, when you're exfoliating properly, at least twice a week, when you are getting rid of the old dead skin cells and your skin is ready and primed for your good age-fighting skincare. Okay, so it's so important. Like, this is not a step that you want to miss, is exfoliation. I know y'all have heard me talk about it before, but exfoliation is 85% of your skincare process. Okay, so we have chemical exfoliators, we have physical exfoliators, we have chemical exfoliators. Okay, and so my favorite exfoliator that I really love is this one. Okay, I think this has made the biggest difference in my skin. People have like I don't really have any, but kind of the hills and valleys in your skin. So this will smooth that out. It really helps with the texture of your skin as well. Okay, so it's basically an advanced exfoliating process. That's what it is. It's an advanced skincare process, okay, that you can do. It sells for $68, and you put it on at night after you cleanse, okay, and you let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now, I've said this before to my customers, and I'm just going to tell you the truth. I leave it on for a lot longer than that. I put it on, went and watched a show or something, and I've left it on for like 30, 45 minutes. It has not ever bothered me at all. Okay, but the directions are for 10 minutes, okay? Now, it does give you a little tingle. Some people feel like a little tingle when you first put it on. That's normal. That's normal, okay? Some people don't feel a tingle. It doesn't mean it's not working, okay? It's just everybody's skin is just different, how their skin, processes it, okay? And so the facial peel is great. So I would absolutely, if you are on one of our skincare regimens or not, okay, if you're on another skincare regimen, either way, this is a great exfoliation process, like a product to add to any routine twice a week at night. Okay, I also have done it on my neck, and I need to get better at that. I really want to start concentrating on that, like my whole neck and décolleté area, because you want to get rid of the dead skin there too. You have the new skin as well there, and so it's fabulous. I love it. And so that's my product I wanted to share tonight, is the facial peel. So we do have samples, and I'll probably, the sample will give you maybe two different applications. So give with your consultant if you've never tried this, and give it a try. I promise you will love it as much as I do. Bye everyone.